Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and I just wanted to come on real quick to share what I decorated these little trees with. I made these little charms, little bead charms to add to my trees and I just think they're adorable. Oh my gosh. So this is a green one with red glass beads. And I don't even know what size these are. These might be 5 millimeters or maybe 4 millimeter. I don't know. But they're adorable. And then here's a silver one with um, like pearl beads, or yeah, pearl beads. And then here's a silver with a blue beads. Isn't that cute? It's so pretty. And then the blue one has silver glass beads. This one has 6 balls, 6 beads on it. There are 6 dangles. And I think the gold one is my favorite. I don't know. It is so cute. So I want to thank Stacey one more time for her inspiration. This was so much fun. When you just want to craft and just make something. I This is it. This was it. This was like my thing that I enjoyed a lot. Getting out my happy jig and using the wires that I have, and then bringing out the beads that I've collected over the years, and I'm finally using them. And then I did want to share this tool. And mind you, everybody probably already knows about this tool, but I don't know who I was watching. I was watching somebody on YouTube, and they were making charms, and they showed this to. I was like, okay, Therese, you just might as well bite the bullet. I got this off of Amazon. If I could get the link, I'll share it in down below. And I will also share Stay's channel. Oh my gosh, I forgot to do that on my last video. I'm so sorry. I meant to do that. I did tag her on my video, but I did not put her channel for everybody to go and follow her. Everybody probably already follows her. um, but I normally do that. I normally do that on my videos, but I will definitely do it on this video. This tool is a game changer. It is pretty pricey. It's like $28 on Amazon, but when I went to Michael's, it was 40 bucks. So Amazon is a lot cheaper, but it is an expensive tool. 20 25 is my normal purchase, but I, I I I wanted to get it this year. So this was my gift to myself for Christmas, and I'm already using it, which is nice. I want to thank everybody for watching all my videos. I want to thank everybody that have commented on my videos this year and the years past. Uh, I am I'm not a big channel. you know, I don't always craft or come on and share. Um, and I've been on YouTube for a long time. Um, I I I don't get the views that many other people do. I do it when I can. I create when I can, and I love watching everyone's videos and those people that inspire me. I keep it coming. Because a lot of times I don't have time to create, but I love watching everyone's videos. I try to um, participate in challenges and collabs. If I'm invited to a collab, I will push myself to uh, do it. Like deck the year. I was an artist. I forget what was the other one. Color and Create with Me, You Rock Art by Rosemary. That went in the wayside. I don't know. I just didn't have time to color like I'd like to, and you know how you switch projects midstream? That's what I did. But she has a great channel as well. I'll link her down below. Um, I want to thank everybody for um, oh, I want to thank the new subscribers. Oh my gosh, I got quite a few um, in the past month and a half. So thank you, new subscribers, for subscribing. I hope you stay, and I hope I will, in the new year, I will create more. I don't guarantee it because my life does get pretty crazy. And I want to thank also my all the ladies that purchased from me this year on my D stashes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm not sure if I'll have more D stashes next year, but you never know. I was going to do a D stash with that Happy Jag, and what a surprise! I was able to bring it out and craft with it, so that was nice. Um, yeah, I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a happy, prosperous New Year. And yeah, so have a happy, a Merry Christmas. And I will see you in my next video, maybe soon or maybe in the new year. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week. And I'll see you soon. Bye now.